strong.
So hi guys, welcome back to Learn with Arjun. We're gonna do a super duper simple game. So the code's gonna be just this much. That's all. So now we're just gonna do it. You gotta collect the stars. Like that. The stars are actually being collected if you see. So let's go and make it. Now I have a blank project here. And at the end of this video, I'll be telling you what does variables mean. So now I will open Scratch here. If you're new to Scratch, you have to go Captain here, and then there'll be a login button. And then once you log in, there will be create this stuff. You can press create, and it'll open a new project. And if you want to go back, you don't need to press this. Just go this button. That's my stuff. See my stuff. And I've created a lot of projects here. Some of them are 3D. So for now, we're just gonna go across this tab into our project. So we'll be making this game today. Now you'll have a blank project that will have just a cat sprite. You can delete that cat sprite, and if you hover your mouse on this, you'll see choose sprite, so you can do paint here. And now if you zoom in, just create a circle. You can pick any color you want. Green is my favorite color, so I'm going to pick green. And the outline, make sure you put for none. Just draw perfect, hold shift to draw a perfect circle and position it right here. Now we'll make the face. Just have this brush, make the color to black. This is compulsory. And make it, I'll say 20. And do that. And now for the smiley, if you draw, it won't come good. So what you're going to do for that is delete that. Go to this line one, and you'll see there's no fill in. You can't click on that. If you want to change the color, it's here. But I'm gonna make it black because my eyes are black. So, and the size should be 20. And I'm just gonna draw a line like that. You don't need to put the size 20. Whatever you put here, this dot size, that size you have to put for the smile. But now it's not a smile, so got this icon, and I'll click on the middle and just drag this below. You get a smiley option, and now click on this cursor and just position it. Now you can rename this as player and go to code and rename this also as player. And now you can go here and choose another sprite. And in the end, you want to type in star there. So you got the star here. And now you're gonna go to our player. I'll zoom in. Drag in when flag clicked, we want it to go to 0, 0. I'll make a video about coordinates. This x and y are coordinates. I'll make a video about that. So now if we run the game, it goes to 0, 0. Now we drag in a forever loop and put go to mouse pointer and point towards mouse pointer. So now you see it's going to our mouse pointer, but it's not turning around because over here we turned it around. So what we do for that is we want it to glide 1 second. This one, glide, not 1 second, 0.01 seconds to mouse pointer and then point towards mouse pointer. Now it can turn. Now we wanted to eat something, so we go to the star script, right? When flag clicked, forever, there's create clone of myself, drag that. And if you go when I start a clone, make sure you don't put it inside the forever loop, because clones doesn't listen to when flag clicked. They listen only to when I start a clone. They'll be like, hey, you program me under when flag clicked. That I won't listen to you. I'll only listen to this. So we're gonna put it here. When I start a clone, you wanna go to random position and the weight 0.5 seconds, I'll say. And then we are writing an if statement with that. If I say touching player, then we are going to if you go to sounds, this collect sound. If you put it, if you're okay with it, you can put in this block starts on collect. If you're not okay with it, choose sound here, and there are many sounds. You can choose anything you want. There are many. So I'm just gonna put collect here, and we want to delete this clone. If we don't put delete this clone, this is what happens. We collect it, but it doesn't disappear. If I say delete this clone, go 1 second. So just appearing everywhere. So now if you go to my other project, what I've done to the star is, this is what I've done. Show go to and then wait 0.4 seconds. And I put this thing. So if you see, this is already always there and there are new clones coming out around it. So this never goes, so just click this button, or you can put hide here. And if you put hide here, you can't see the clones because the clones are also hidden. So we're gonna put show no clones. And for why it's appearing a bunch, we are just creating a clone and waiting for no seconds. So we're gonna put wait 1 second here. Then it becomes too slow, so I can wait 5. I not able to correct? So the reason for that is so the reason what's wrong is our forever block, because now if you don't put the forever, it's only checking it once. So if we put a forever, it checks it all the time. So now we are able to collect everything. Now we can add a backdrop here, blue sky, and then we can see player, one flag clicked, forever, sounds, here, loops, and you can choose anything in loops. So now here's another project.
Hey.
And we want to score one. Huh? What sound is this?
Hey.
Hey. So now I'm gonna create a variable called score for all sprites. As I told, I'll explain the variables in the next video. So set score 0 and you gotta start fetching player, change score by 1. So if you actually collect, the score increases here.
Hey.
And if you don't collect, the score is dead and stars keep on coming. Super attack! And when it comes to 100 here, we wanted to make something. So we add an if statement inside the forever loop. If and equals block, and in the variables we're gonna add score here. I just drag this one. If score equals 100, then we're gonna go to sounds and record one. So, and here, you win. You win. You win. So we do robot. You win. Not a good idea at all. You win. You win. You win. You win. That was funny. You win.
You win. You win.
Now that's like adult sound.
You win.
Now that's that's like an old person sound.
You win.
Why is my voice like somebody else's? I'm gonna keep it like that. And then we are gonna say stop the script. No. And now if you get to 100, I don't want to get 100, so I'm gonna put 10 here.
Hey.
So we get that sound. The sounds, make it a little bit louder.
Hey.
So that happens. I'm gonna make this 100 now. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comments section below. And so I'm gonna explain our variables now. So variables, like if we say variables can be named anything. So if we set any variable to any value, I'll say, so I'm going to create a new variable. You don't need to do this. So if I say set 1 to 0, and then I'm gonna say 0 for 2 seconds. You can't see it. If I show it here, read 0. And if I assign 3,455 billion or whatever that what I wrote, well, so we tell that value. So with variables, you can do so much things. I'll explain it better in the next video. So bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Be strong.